Hi, want to know how to translate text to another language in text messages on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, we would need to open any messenger, it doesn't matter which one, because this feature is hidden in your keyboard. Here, we would need to click on this bar to start typing, and here you can notice this translator icon, which is second in a row, and by clicking on it, here will appear translator right in your keyboard. So firstly, let's set up the languages. Here, by clicking on this circle at the beginning of this row, we can choose a language from which to which language we will translate it. So for example, let's set here English and we will translate it to Czech. Here we can now start typing, for example, hello, how are you doing? And after you are done, now we would need to do exactly nothing. The text will be automatically pasted into this text bar where you can send the message immediately, and you can see that the message is translated into another language and it has been immediately sent. This is a really useful feature, and this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.